Hi, so today we're going to make a worm gear machine. One long axe, one small axle, not that small, but it's medium. 2 locks, one worm gear, another 2 locks, another one, and those are 2 Lego Technic parts. And also this worm gear is a Lego Technic part. After that, 1 lock, then done. The base of the worm gear is done. Put both of those 1 pair of pivots on each axle hole on the Lego Technic part, one on the first line, and one is on the last third hole. Like this. After that, we add this gear, and we add the axle in the axle hole of the gear. This is how a worm gear system works, but it's still not the end. 2 blue pins, and after that, the second Lego Technic piece. This is the last piece from the pair. This is the system. Divide in half, good. 1, 2, here. 1, 2, 3. I choose here. After that, we'll put the balloon wheel, and we'll put the lock after that. Oops, I forgot to put the balloon in the right way. Good. Loosen it a little bit. After that, we're gonna add the base. Oops, one of my pins fell. I need to remove the balloon, and after that, I will add 1 Lego Technic part, which is the pin extension. And I will use a black pin for that. There you go. This is the first half of making the base. Now we have to put the balloon wheel back in place. Here you go. This is the worm gear machine. And you can motorize this with power functions or powered up. And this, if it's motorized, it can be faster, but this is manual. This is the way in the manual shape. If you add a motor here or here, you can motorize it. And this is how to do the worm gear machine from me. Like, subscribe, and share.